Here is a unique humanoid robot from the Chinese company Aibot, which thanks to training and the implementation of artificial intelligence, has learned to perform various tasks, including cooking meals of any level of complexity. This robot can prepare anything from a gourmet dish using available ingredients to the simplest sandwich in just a few minutes. It can also clean, do laundry, and assist with household chores. Aibot robots have an anthropomorphic design, allowing them to effectively interact with environments designed for humans. Companies' robots represent a significant step forward, offering solutions for automating everyday tasks. Their ability to learn and adapt makes them promising assistants in various areas of life. Engineers from the Chinese company Robot Era have introduced an innovative robotic chef named Start1, designed to automate food preparation processes both in restaurants and at home. This humanoid robot is equipped with 2 advanced manipulators with 7 degrees of freedom, mimicking the movements of human hands. Thanks to programmable algorithms, Start1 can prepare a wide range of dishes, including frying, boiling, baking, and steaming, making it a versatile kitchen assistant. One of its most unique features is its ability to use chopsticks. Its robotic hands are designed with fine motor skills in mind, allowing it to precisely grip and manipulate ingredients, prepare Asian cuisine, and even serve food with authenticity and accuracy. Another robotic chef has also been introduced by the Chinese company Elephant Robotics, a humanoid robot called Mercury X1. This robot with a height of 1.2 meters is designed to perform various tasks, including culinary operations. Mercury X1 has 19 degrees of freedom, providing high flexibility and maneuverability, allowing it to perform complex cooking tasks, such as chopping, mixing, and plating dishes. The robot can carry up to 1 kilogram of payload, enabling it to safely handle various kitchen tools and ingredients. With a movement speed of up to 1.2 meters per second and an autonomous operation time of up to 8 hours, it serves as an efficient kitchen assistant. The intelligent features of Mercury X1 include a 9-inch touchscreen, advanced sensors, and sophisticated artificial intelligence capabilities, allowing it to adapt to different recipes and cooking techniques. The Chinese have introduced a new humanoid robot called M01, which is capable of performing numerous household tasks, significantly easing daily life. This robot combines the functions of a cleaner, cook, laundry assistant, and even a helper for pet care. The robot is equipped with advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence and an object recognition system. One of the main functions of M01 is cooking various dishes. M01 can perform basic culinary tasks, such as cutting ingredients, mixing, and preparing simple meals. Thanks to pre-programmed recipes, it can cook food in automatic mode. Additionally, the robot is capable of handling ironing. Its manipulators carefully process fabrics without damaging them. The American company Blended has created a unique robot capable of making smoothies just as well as a human. This robotic kiosk is fully automated and utilizes advanced technologies in artificial intelligence, robotics, and data analysis. The innovative system allows the robot to adapt to individual user preferences, creating drinks that perfectly match their tastes. The robot is equipped with a manipulator and multiple ingredient dispensers, enabling it to prepare up to 9 smoothies simultaneously. The entire process from selecting ingredients to serving the finished drink takes approximately 3 minutes. Users can customize their orders directly at the kiosk or through mobile application. These robots can operate in high-traffic locations, such as universities, shopping malls, and supermarkets, preparing fresh and healthy drinks with minimal human involvement. The recently developed Chinese humanoid robot Astrobot S1 has mastered a wide range of culinary skills. Created by the startup Astrobot, this robot is capable of performing complex kitchen tasks, such as making waffles and conducting a traditional tea ceremony. Astrobot S1 is equipped with highly dexterous arms that can move at speeds of up to 10 meters per second and lift loads weighing up to 10 kilograms. This combination of power and precision enables it to carry out delicate culinary operations, including carefully pouring tea in accordance with traditional Chinese ceremony practices. Beyond its culinary abilities, The robot demonstrates skills such as feeding pets, vacuuming rooms, and even practicing Chinese martial arts like Kung Fu. Astrobot S1 can operate autonomously or be remotely controlled via a virtual reality headset, allowing users to direct its actions in real time. The Chinese have once again introduced a robot that can fully replace a chef in the kitchen. This autonomous kitchen assistant is equipped with a modern manipulator capable of performing multiple tasks, such as preparing fried dishes, mixing ingredients, adding spices, and even plating the finished meal. The robotic chef utilizes artificial intelligence technology to precisely control the process of cooking. It can hold various kitchen utensils in its hands, including spatulas, ladles, and even whisks. Built-in sensors and cameras allow it to determine the doneness of ingredients and adjust the cooking temperature accordingly. Thanks to its integrated control system and pre-programmed recipes, the robot can prepare complex dishes such as wok noodles with vegetables, fried rice, scrambled eggs, and meat-based meals. Here is a new multifunctional robotic arm developed by the company QB Robotics, designed to work with various objects. Thanks to its versatility, this robotic arm can be used in different industries including cooking. This innovative device combines advanced robotics and artificial intelligence technologies, enabling it to perform a wide range of tasks, from washing and sorting to moving and precise manipulations. The robotic arm is equipped with a computer vision system that allows it to identify objects and analyze their shape and weight. The robotic arm also has high mobility and flexibility in movement. It can integrate into various automated systems, interact with other robotic machines, and operate in complex environments. Thanks to its adaptive grip, it can adjust the gripping force, allowing it to work safely with both hard and soft materials. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.